I started this painting by going over an old painting that didn't work out. I sanded it down, smoothed it out, and then began to lay in the big shapes of the pond. But there is a great moment and a nice surprise that happened, and I'll show you that in a second, so stick with me. It's one of the things that happen with plein air painting. You never know what to expect, and sometimes there are pleasant surprises. This is at the Henry Botts Park in Mount Sterling. So here's the nice little surprise that happens as I'm laying in the values and the shapes, and I just know that I'm going to try adding figures to the painting even if they're little dots. I love it. It's a mom and dad and their little boy. Show up close who those little three spots are in my painting. So you are
Patrick Robertson,
and you have good taste in being a Bengals fan.
That's right.
And can you believe my wife is a Steelers fan and has been for years, and I finally have the upper hand on her.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, now I'm glad she's a Steelers fan.
That's
So
right.
yeah, we'll show you. We'll show you how to play
Whoop up on 'em a little
football.
bit.
So did you catch anything, Tyler?
No.
No, but you had.
We did see a turtle and a big cat.
Oh, all right. And you had fun. It's kind of like us as painters. Sometimes the paintings don't work out, but it doesn't matter. We had fun.
We're going to go back to the farm pond, catch all the catfish.
I know, it's like fishing in a bathtub.
But this is pretty nice out here.
Yeah,
This is
pretty
neat.
today.
You live here in town?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mount Sterling, yep.
Well, good to meet you all, and I can't wait for you to see the painting
Yeah,
when we get it
me
done
too.
here.
I'll
Well,
be
you
interested.
take a look when you go
Yeah,
up
let's
there.
go see it.
Yeah.
No, they got done fishing, and I wanted to catch them before they got away because they're in my painting.
Oh.
And I wanted to see if I could put them in the YouTube video, and they were happy with that.
I heard you talking about art over there, and I thought that's
Yeah,
pretty
it turns
awesome.
out she and her husband are both dabbling in art.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And they've been going to Lexington, next to Fayette Mall. They've been taking art classes.
Huh.
Oh, look at what you have in the sketchbook.
Yeah, I really like working with the watercolors this year, so I'm just,
And you didn't buy new supplies, did you?
I bought watercolor paper.
Oh, okay, that's all right.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
And
But you had the watercolors,
I had some brushes already.
and you already had that kit.
Yep.
See, there you go. You
Yeah.
needed to use that.
I have to sneak around and buy supplies now, Roger.
Yeah, and try to not let me catch you. Here's Jackie's version of the pond, the ducks, the ducks on the pond, and the people fishing, and that's what she sees. Actually working from that photo from Sterling Meadows last week. Coming along well. And I should have done your portrait from here, Pam, because then it would have been a couple of dots and I would have been done.
That's right.
It wouldn't have been so complicated as our last painting. Wow, Laura, you have really raced along here.
Lots of water.
Ever since we gave you that lunch deadline, it sped everything up, didn't it?